as you can see, we have stars, Annie, and Anna, her little sister, joining us today on our little show we like to call Pickles and Fairies. Alright, now, let's ask you a couple questions, Eli. Okay then, so, what is it like starring in a movie about your life?
Please entertain us with details.
Fascinating.
Yes, very.
Now, Anna, you play Annie in the newer movie. What is that like, playing your older sister?
Interesting.
Very interesting.
Alright, Annie, what's it like being a movie star? You know, with camera in your face, all these flashing lights when you come down the red carpet.
And what are those fans like? I mean, you gave a wonderful description of being a star.
Yeah.
But do the fans ever get in the way? I can imagine.
Really? And how's that like?
You're so good at describing stuff.
I know, tell us more.
What school do y'all go to?
How's the people there like? Do they ever see you as who you really are, or do they just see you as a movie star?
You get special treatment from the teachers? Really? I would demand special treatment.
Yeah, me too, but you know, that's
You
just
know, the
us.
school system. So, Anna, do y'all have any pets? I have a dog too. Fossil! Come on, Fossil! Come on, Fossil! How's that? Come here, no, this is my dog, Louie.
Oh, I'm sorry. No.
Fossil, come here.
Don't tell him.
Come here, come here. See, this is Louie.
He's our lap dog.
You pet him now?
He likes to sit in people's laps.
He's going to his mommy because he loves his mommy more than me. So yeah.
But, what's your favorite color?
We can see.
Yes.
I love your dresses. They're so cute.
Yes, and I love your hair. It's just so stylish. You know, I was thinking about getting my hair done that way.
Don't.
Anyways.
We need to sing something.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Oh, yes, I am.
Okay.
I work in Burger King, making paper whoppers. I wear paper hats. Would you like an apple pie with that? Would you like an apple pie with that? Ding, fries are done, ding, fries are done, ding, fries are done, ding, fries are done. I got to run, I gotta run, I gotta run, I gotta run. I work at Burger King, making paper whoppers. I wear paper hats. Would you like an apple pie with that? Would you like an apple pie with that? Ding, fries are done, ding, fries are done, ding, fries are done, ding, fries are done. Now what? Bubbles! 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 Scented bubbles!
Do you like bubbles? Good. You better like bubbles.
Bubbles!
They smell like me.
I think for Blueberry.
Bubbles!
They're not showing up.
More up.
Bubbles! Bubble time over. Soapy floor. They smell like grape. It's like Soapy cat. See?
They do.
Grape scented.
Smells good.
My hands are all soapy.
So no. Hey.
And now we bid you adieu. Ow!
No music until after the show is over.
Fine then. You're picky. Hey look! Attack!
That wasn't very nice. You just threw that at the cameraman.
What's your Earl, are you okay?
Yes. Can't
Yeah.
you see he's hurt?
He's not hurt.
Yes, he is.
He's fine. That eye.
Does it look fine to me?
That eye swelling is gonna go down so fast.
Okay.
Alright.
Still shooting fire things at people.
You say things to people.
What?
I don't know.
Exactly.
You bite.
That doesn't mean a thing.
You smell funny.
Your mom smells funny.
Your mom smells funny.
Your dad smells funny. Your brother smells funny.
Your family
Your
smells
whole
funny.
family smells funny.
I
Hey,
smell
Skylar.
Oh.
We have a phone call. Let's take a break real quick, people. We'll be back in 5.
Yeah.